morning, friends. I am Girish MC, Assistant Professor in Government College, Autonomous, India. Today, I am going to share some of the information regarding the marginal costing in the management accounting. So, this is the sixth semester management accounting paper. I am going to solve one problem regarding marginal costing. In that marginal costing, this is one of the important problem and which can be used to find out the break-even analysis. So this marginal costing basically because of to find out the break-even point and break-even analysis in the organization. For example, this is a problem which is having 2 years information regarding sales and profit or loss. Sales for the first year 75,000, second year 85,000. Profit or loss, that is profit 10,000 for the first year, 12,500 for the second year. In this problem, we have to calculate the profit volume ratio, fixed cost and break-even point. First, we have to calculate profit volume ratio. For this, we have two formulas. One is contribution divided by sales into 100 and another one is change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. Whenever they provided the information regarding 2 years information of an organization, we have to use change in profit divided by changes in sales into 100. So for this change in profit is here, profit is 10,000 and 12,500. So changes is 2,500 divided by changes in sales is 75,000 and 85,000. The difference is 10,000 into 100. So this comes under 25% PV ratio. Next, we have to calculate fixed cost here. Calculation of fixed cost. Fixed cost because we have to calculate break-even point. That is, the formula is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. We know the PV ratio. That is 25%. But fixed cost we have to calculate. So for the purpose of calculation of fixed cost, we need to find out fixed cost by using the formula that is sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution minus fixed cost is equal to profit. We know that sales of first year is 75,000 minus, we don't know variable cost. Okay, PV ratio is 25%. In this problem, if the PV ratio is 25%, remaining 75% is variable cost. So PV ratio 25% means 25% of 75,000. So 75,000, 25% is just right. 18,750. 18,750 minus 75,000, that is 56,250 is the variable cost. We know profit. Profit is for the first year 10,000. Then fixed cost is 18,750 minus 10,000, that is 8,750 is the fixed cost. So in this problem, we can verify the fixed cost by using second year information. That is, the sales is 85,000 minus, we don't know the variable cost and we don't know the contribution. We know the PV ratio. If the PV is 25%, contribution should be the 25% of 85,000. So 85,000 into 25%, that is 21,250. So 21,250 minus 85,000, that is 63,750 is the variable cost minus fixed cost. We know the profit, that is 12,500. To find out the fixed cost, we have to deduct the 12,500 minus from the 21,250. 21,250 minus 12,500, again 8,750 is the fixed cost. This way we can calculate the fixed cost of 2 years. And now I am going to calculate the break-even point by using fixed cost and PV ratio. So break-even point is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So that is, fixed cost is 8,750 divided by 0.25, that is 25% means 0.25. So 8,750 divided by 0.25. Rupees 35,000 is break-even point.